Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll compare Auth and Auth.js to help you decide which authentication library is the better choice for 2025. Let's start with Auth. Auth is known for its simplicity and out-of-the-box security features. It provides a robust authentication system for web and mobile apps, including multi-factor authentication and session management. Auth is ideal if you want a quick setup with strong default security and minimal configuration. On the other hand, Auth.js is more flexible and developer-friendly. It allows full customization of authentication flows, supports multiple providers, and integrates easily with modern frameworks. Developers who want fine-grained control over login processes and custom features may prefer Auth.js. Both libraries are powerful, but if you prioritize simplicity, reliability, and fast integration for most projects, Auth is likely the better choice for 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.